Alright, so we are here. This is the parking lot.
As you can tell, we're very early.
This is my extremely sarcastic friend who made the journey with me. The way to the experience, the impact is that way, so we will go that way. Okay. Alright, here is the new construction that they are doing. Yeah. There's the entrance. Very good. And here's the receipt. All that good stuff. Now we go to this Apollo capsule. Test capsule, I might add. Boilerplate 29, please keep off now. Let's go climb it. So basically it says that, do you want to live in here? My response would be no. But my friend over here, he can fit in there. He'll go. The American Astronaut Wall of Fame as we make the trek around our thing. Journey. Oh, looks like it's dead end. Okay, we'll go back inside then. Yeah. Oh, here we go. We got all these nice names. People who did good things. I don't know what they did. Let's find out. Thank you, Mr. Sarcastic. Told you, this guy, he's on a roll today. It's okay, we've gone on like 15 minutes of sleep the last 2 days, literally. That's actually really cool. We'll come back to that. Route 66, anybody? Cool. I'm assuming we are here, but you can't be too sure. And this thing. Giant piece of rock. I wonder if I can lift it. Oh, hey, look. I should get this t-shirt. I think Professor would be proud. Some crazy information going on here. Look at all this stuff. Wow. So this is what you find on the ceiling. Basically the history of our galaxy, something like that. Milky Way home. Apparently we're there. 15 billion years later. Galaxy clusters, quasars. Huh. The sky is falling. Here's the Russian impact. Gives a little bit on that. I think these are actual trees from the impact. So now I have asteroid on my hand. What happened?
I lowered it some more and it burned up in the atmosphere.
Nice. I'm here. So, I'm currently standing in the middle of the crater. Just kidding. Here's where we are at. Here's the floor. There's a nice wall behind me.
And Eric's sitting on that bench back there.
Oh, hey, look, it's my buddy. What happens over time? It's fresh, partially eroded, majorly eroded. These look like a bunch of impacts. Looks like they're taking the bulk of it. Lucky us.
The ones with the lights are the 10 largest meteor impacts on the
Nice.
planet.
Death of the T-Rex. Maybe. Maybe not. Poor guy, he's about to die. Oh well. Surf's up. So I surf, and a 6 mile high wave, that's major bragging rights.
Don't record me standing on the damn platform.
Continue with your sightseeing. Oh, hey, look, there's a plane. This is a big hole, guys. Alright, so here's the type of rock that can be found in this crater. It's pretty fragile. Yeah. If I drop this, then we can can't see if I got this, guys. Come on, need warm up. Yes. All right, let's go. Hold on, Eric, come help me.
Oh shit, I can't.
Oh, I guess we're not taking it home.
No.
We thought we could take it home.
Get it?
This is an Henri rock. Like little holes in there. Alright guys, so that was pretty cool. Me and my partner over here were running on about 15 hours of sleep the last 24 hours. So if you're wondering why we're so crazy right now and making stupid jokes, it's yeah, probably because of that. So we just finished Meteor Crater, and now we're going to go on to the local observatory, which is about 45 minutes away. Keep you posted. I remind you, 15 minutes of sleep and 7 hours of driving later. Alright, we are at, sorry, son. Read it. Alright, we are at Lowell Observatory. It's a little, shut up, don't listen to him. It's a little bit different scenery. It's kind of foresty around here, which is cool. There's what I assume is the telescope, one of them. And there's the place with plenty of solar to go around. Looks like it's about 12-ish. Is that right, Eric? A little past 12.
That is correct.
That's correct. It's like a 42-inch reflecting telescope, which is 11 tons by the look of it. Anybody think I can lift that? Or at least climb on it. It says don't climb, but I can climb. What's that phrase? YOLO?
I wouldn't put money on it.
It's a nice place back here. Plenty of room. Lots of stuff.
She sprouted another inch.
Alright, viewing sunspots.
I didn't
How do it back up.
that they're
Take pictures.
larger than our entire
That's
Earth.
okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome.
My turn. Alright, here's a little meteorite. 535 pounds. Very good. I wonder if I can pick up this one. Couldn't pick up the other one. It's got like giant holes in it.
Tells me that even if you do pick it up.
So if I pick it up, I get to keep it, right? Something like that. Alright, we're going to go on the Pluto walk. It's pretty cool. Check it out. Let's go. Starting the Pluto walk. And this is the sun. And everything is to scale.
You should explain the scale.
How do I explain the scale?
1 inch is like how many?
1 inch is 1,000,000 miles. We were told by the guide. Earth stands for ground. That's cool. Alright, those are the inner planets. Here's our asteroid belt. Whee! Walk, 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 walk. Jupiter. Walk, 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 walk. Saturn, which we all know would float in a pool if we found one big enough. Remember that one. Let's take a look at the scenery while we're making our way to Uranus. Got some nice solar panels.
He said Uranus.
This is a school project, sir.
Okay, I have the mentality of a 12-year-old.
I know. Alright, here's Uranus. Fun facts. It's tilted. Whee! Alright. Arriving at Neptune. Look at that, you can't even see the sun anymore. Sun's like way back there. Way down there. That's a big solar system. I'm gonna come out all the way Pluto down back here, which isn't a real planet anymore. He got demoted. Bummer. There's our Pluto. Fun facts. And now here's our outer solar system. Alright, here's the Pluto telescope dome where we previously looked in earlier. My photographer. And there it is. It's pretty cool. You go in the door, you go up on the right, and then there's a giant telescope. Something I forgot to mention on the Pluto walk. The nearest star closest to us to scale would be all the way to Los Angeles.
From Flagstaff.
From Flagstaff.
That's 484 miles. miles.
That's 484 miles. This guy's a genius
Yeah.
at memorizing things. Future leaders of America, people. Now we're on the galaxy walk. 500-foot past scale model of our Milky Way galaxy. 300,000 or 30,000, sorry, light years distance. That's a lot. We are here. And that's a lot. Solar neighborhood. So, that's the Los Angeles star that we were talking about earlier. Yeah. It's a lot of light years away. Extrasolar planets. I'm not to look at that one. Open star clusters. Orion Nebula. So there's our sun. There's this supergiant sun. So I'm guessing we wouldn't be on Earth if we were next to that sun. Right. Yep. Here's the nearest black hole, which is 30 more times massive than our sun. That's pretty massive. The Crab Nebula. Supernova remnant. 10 times more massive than our sun. Looks like a lot of material. Spiral arms of the Milky Way. So, we're here. There's those spirals. That's what we look like on a plane. Very good. Alright, now the rest of the trip is all the way down there, so we will take a short break. We started all the way at the beginning. Now we're all the way here. Globular star clusters. 17,000 light years away and still visible to the naked eye. That's a lot of light, I think. The bar at the center of the Milky Way. Some galaxies, such as M74, the perfect spiral, as such, are symmetrical at the center. Others are asymmetrical, so there's this guy. My partner is lagging. It's too much space for him. Too much travel time. A supermassive black hole in the center of the Milky Way. 4 million times the mass of our sun. How's that for pressure? Okay, so we just did the Milky Way galaxy walk. Now we're about to do the universe walk. And so, that was all the Milky Way, all the way back. And that was 1 inch per 5 light years. Now remember, the Pluto walk was 1 inch per million miles. Now, for the universe walk, it is 1 inch to 2.1 million light years. I feel small now. Yeah. Dark matter. I hope you guys can read this because I'm not reading that. Red shifts and the expanding universe. Not reading you guys that either. Wow. So the longest known light source is from 13.7 billion years ago. That's a lot. Light moves very fast, guys. I don't think we know that yet, but now you know.
Really?
There's the rest of the universe walk going all the way back. So nearby galaxies. bunch of different types, I guess, what they look like. Light from the whirlpool needs 23 million years to reach us. How do galaxies interact, guys? Well, when they get close enough together, their gravitational poles can react or interact, and sometimes collisions occur. Well, yeah, I can see that. I guess that would be a demonstration. Pretty cool looking. Alright, so how many inches have we walked so far? It's kind of a lot. That's like...
At least like 20 something feet. 40 something feet.
How many billion years is that so far? Or how many million light years is that? Something like that.
1 inch is about 2 million years.
Yeah, I think so. 2 light years. We'll go back to the footage. Yeah, more or less. We're still going. All the way back there. How did the solar system form? Well, our solar system was 4.5 billion years ago, as we learned in class. Going from that to that to that to that. I might be wrong, but I think they stopped doing the counting. Supernovae and the accelerating universe. So there's a red giant and a white dwarf sucking up that red giant. No comments necessary. This sign marks the location of a distant supernova whose light takes 5.8 billion years to reach us. Okay, so I was wrong. They're still counting. That's a long ways. Very long ways. You can't even see the end anymore. On to the next. It just told you how many.
That was the difference. That's just light.
Here's a large scale structure of the universe. Interesting. Giant cosmic spiderweb. Seems legit.
Like it.
Hey, look, there's that husky again. Gravitational lensing. So, as you can see by this diagram, which I have no idea what it's talking about, let's read. The mass itself curves in space. I guess that's what it looks like to us. The Einstein cross takes nearly 10 billion years to reach us. Oh, the light does. The Einstein cross is an example of gravitational lensing. We'll have to have Professor elaborate on that. Almost done with our journey. Gamma rays are the most energetic form of light, meaning they have the highest frequencies and shortest wavelengths. I remember that. Such an event. Wipe us out. That's pretty good. See them chemical reactions. Okay, that's how far we've gone. You still can't see the end because you couldn't see it 50 feet ago. And our last stop. The average temperature is 2.725 degrees above absolute zero, which is negative 273. I'll keep my California weather. Thank you. And that is the end of our journey. Let's see how much I weigh on the Earth, the Moon, and then Mars. $167.5. Okay. T minus 3, 2, 1 liftoff. So my 3G weight is 502.5 pounds. My moon weight would be 27.9 pounds. My Mars weight would be 63.4 pounds. My Mercury weight, I didn't even see.
It was like 20 something.
Venus 151, Jupiter 424. Dang, I'm a fatty. Saturn 178. It's not too much difference. Uranus, Neptune, Pluto 151, Neptune, Uranus 189, Pluto. I weigh 11 pounds. Girls, if you have weight problems, go to Pluto. Fly again soon. Mission successful. Take that one. Gift store. Binoculars. Let's get this giant telescope for $350. Eric, you in? We'll split the telescope. But what I really want is one of these suits. Official junior NASA person right here. You already start off as a commander. Good stuff.
They use that.
Let's put on a shuttle glove. Look at that. That's thick.
Yeah.
There's not many people who can get their hands all the way, fingers all the way in. I can't.
Mine's like right here.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So this is like made of the same materials that like the people who got space would wear.
Yeah, they would train with the exact same stuff that they take on a space mission.
That's pretty cool.
So I don't think that one went into space, from what I understand.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, be sure to get your picture taken there as an astronaut.
Helmet, shoe, glove. What's this place called again? What's this place called? No, in here. The exhibit hall. There we go. That's the proper word. The exhibit hall, everybody. This is where we are at. Shoe print. Yeah. Space shuttle rubber. Spacesuit. Apollo 11 space. What happened?